everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Africa series, we will illustrate and talk about the place which is known worldwide as the Big Game Country or a land of safaris. It's Savannah region in Africa. So keep an eye till the end of the video to see this thrilling painting and listen to the stories behind African Savannah Safari. Friends, we have seen so many aspects of Africa, from tribes to village life, from street murals to colors. Imagination Gallery tried to bestow all relevant details of every aspect of Africa to you. And today, in our 40th part of the series, we are going to explore none other than African Safari from Savannah region. We are in Africa and we want to draw or talk about African Safari. Can it be possible? It's almost impossible. So today in front of you we are preparing a silhouette painting of African Safari which shows savanna grassland and animals. Using acrylics on paper, I have tried to create the best possible representation of this thrilling imagery. Well, I am frenzied to start this with you all. Let's begin. The savanna is an open landscape of grassland found in tropical Africa. It is home to an amazing variety of wildlife. For half of the year, savannas are hot and dry and swept by wildfires. They also have a season of heavy rainfalls. Tall grasses grow during the rainy season, providing food for herds of grazing animals such as zebras and wild beasts. The grazers are haunted by fearsome predators such as lion and cheetahs. The African savanna ecosystem is a tropical grassland with warm temperatures year-round and with the highest seasonal rainfall in the summer. Friends, the African savanna is the largest tropical grassland in Africa, extending well into Zimbabwe, Botswana and South Africa. The savanna is a habitat for a community of organisms. You can find an extensive range of animals in the African savanna. As such, it is the perfect place to spot all kinds of big and small creatures such as giraffes, zebras, elephants, buffaloes, lion, cheetah, kangaroo, ostrich, antelopes, baboons, leopards, rhinoceros, what not. And 65% of Africa is savanna. Shocking, isn't it? The very famous Serengeti National Park is here in African savanna only. The Serengeti is also home to the largest animal migration. Considered one of the most remarkable natural events in the world, nearly 2 million animals migrate in a clockwise direction around the Serengeti. These great herds move throughout the year to follow better grazing areas. And last interesting thing which I can mention about this African savanna is the first human remains were found here only. But many of us can think that what is actually an African safari? Well, it's a journey in Africa that involves spending some time in the bush watching and wild animals. So basically, a safari is any trip into the wilderness to see wildlife. That's quite a narrow definition though. One that has evolved and expanded over the years to mean more than it once did. Now, an African safari can be an adventure tour that spends some time in nature looking at animals and birds. Calling an urban or cultural tour in Africa a safari would still be inaccurate. And a big 5 safari to Africa will include sightings of lion, buffaloes, leopards, elephant and rhinos. Africa, has so much to offer, from spectacular scenery, friendly people and cultural treasures to blissful beaches. But above all else, it is the wildlife and safari lifestyle that will draw you back again and again. This well-known quote by Richard Mullin is so very true. The only man I envy is the man who has not yet been to Africa, for he has so much to look forward to. So once you go on your first safari, Africa gets into your blood. You develop a deep longing to return to this magical continent and to start planning your next African safari holiday. You warned, Africa is very addictive. Well, we are definitely going to come back to Africa and African safari drawing with you all. I know you are with us. Let this be one family. Let's color the life with Imagination Gallery. Hope you enjoyed and liked today's thrilling experience of an African Savannah Safari. Transmit your feedbacks and suggestion about our drawing session here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and the stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here's wishing you an amazing weekend. Stay safe and take care, my friends. Bye bye.